What's going on, everybody? This is a video of me playing with plants. I'm a woofer, which means that I'm volunteering on organic herb farms, which is teaching me a thing or two about the food that I can grow and eat. And I'm going to read this article that I found in a magazine about GMOs. Celebrate NonGMO Month. New labeling and what it all means. Last month, we paid special attention to Organic Harvest Month. Shopping organic is a great step toward ensuring your family eats the healthiest foods possible. The challenge is that organic certification does not require testing for genetically modified organisms, GMOs. The effect of GMOs on human health have yet to be investigated by epidemiological studies, according to the NonGMO Project, a nonprofit whose goal is to offer rigorous product verification and trustworthy education that empowers people to care for themselves, the planet, and future generations. The NonGMO Project's mission statement says, in part, everyone has a right to know what is in their food and deserves access to non-GMO choices. However, biotechnology companies have performed, quote, most of the research used to claim that GMOs are safe, says the project's website. Some 300 scientists, physicians, and other scholars signed a statement calling the highly publicized claim a scientific consensus on GMOs, quote, an artificial construct that has been falsely perpetuated, end quote. So, new labeling coming. As of January 1st, 2022, the National Bioengineered Food Disclosure Standard goes into effect. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Agricultural Marketing Service, bioengineered foods are, quote, those that contain detectable genetic material that has been modified through certain lab techniques and cannot be created through conventional breeding or found in nature, end quote. Our concern is that, quote, this law selects language that's unfamiliar to most shoppers. People know about GMOs. Most people do not know much about bioengineered food, end quote. According to a May 2021 blog post on the NonGMO Project's website. Another issue is that many GMO products do not fall within the labeling requirements of the new standard because of the technology used to produce them, such as gene editing, or the lack of available testing methods to determine minute amounts of GMO materials in the products. So, what it all means. If the new labeling, beginning in January 1st, 2022, is to serve the consumer, like you and me, rather than the manufacturers who use bioengineering, quote, it must be clear, transparent, and able to keep pace with the technology it is meant to identify, end quote, says the NonGMO Project. Stay tuned for news updates. Woo!